I'm so... Oh, man. Woo! You want... Right, that looks a lot better. Oh, that was so good. Don't bring it. All right. 1, 2. No. All right, let me move that over to the side. You can see that. And put that right there. 1, 2, 3. Hey, Sincere Team! It's your girl, Trudy Lee, and I'm back with another banger! As you've seen by the title, I'm about to do something that is not too smart, but it's about to be a situation. I'm a little nervous, but Xtina Grubz, shout out to you, sis, for this epic challenge. I keep on seeing it, even though it came out a little second ago. I keep on seeing it trending. And I want to keep it true and see what I can do and see if I can compete with you. I got me some ranch. Got this new Def Lucifer sauce. Okay, that's what I heard on the street. It's the new. That's what I heard. Don't mind this. Okay, y'all, look at this. Let's just talk about that real quick. I'm learning how to do nails. That doesn't mean I'm bad because I'm missing like 4. It's because I was light on the acrylic. Light, real light, okay? Pen light. Ooh, you know this one? All right, let me stop. Y'all, all right, this is a challenge right here. 6 swings, covered with some of this dip sauce. You are allowed to dip and you can have drinks. It's not time. So I got me some chocolate milk. If you don't know, that is a killer for the spice. The darkest chocolate you can get, that's even better. And I got me some of this. Shout out to Big Belly Bob. Seen it on his channel first. But yes, y'all, that's what I'm about to do with that. Well, that's what I'm about to drink with this. I should say I'm nervous. You hear me? I'm talking crazy and stuff. It's crazy. Let's pray real quick, get into this banger. Let's get it. Let's go. Need some extra prayer. Come on, let's hold hands. Come on, let's hold hands. It's time to pray. Come on. Come on. Let's do it. God, I ask you to please bless over us today. Bless over me and my stomach today, God. Bless over all my returning aces, God, and all my new aces, God. I want you to know I'm thankful for you and I believe in you, God. I ask you to please bless over the way this comes out, God, because I'm so nervous from when I did the 2 times spicy, God. I want you to bless over Xtina Grubz, God, and bless over all of the other aces on this tube that's making these bomb challenges. And the blood Jesus, I pray, amen. Throw up them A's, y'all. We had a whole hand. You felt that? Did you feel it? Throw up them A's. Anna Rose right there, y'all.
Hi, guys.
She's right there. I needed moral support. All right. We didn't have to go to Amazon. Woo! We didn't have to do no Tuesday shipping. Woo, woo! Got it from the little grocery store. Found it in ShopRite, y'all. ShopRite, where we from? ShopRite. Flavor your world, it says. Check that out. Flavor my world. It says how to use the scorpion. Pizza, an extra hot topping, you bet. Noodles, sauce that bites back, you think. Kebabs, every drop adds a seriously hot kick. I bet that too. Tacos, fierce, ooh, aggressive. Elimes. Are we? Y'all got it too. What that word say? I'm sorry. Elevines? a hot mess, period. Okay, just hot mess. It's a hot mess. Don't judge me. Only God can do that. And last but not least, fries. Make everything scorching. That's what it said. That's what it says. That's what it says. Let's get it. It's a fresh bottle. Check out the shirt. Shout out to you. Supreme Cuts in Norwalk, Connecticut. This is the merch. Hold on, let me turn around real quick. No, I'm going to see if I can add some pictures into this real quick so you can see what this really look like. Yes. If you're in Norwalk, Connecticut, you need a shape up or something. Oh, yes. Go find them. Supreme Cuts. And when you're there, make sure you grab you a t-shirt. Support the movement. All right, y'all. I'm nervous. We got the little bottle. It's so little. You know them little things pack big heat. You know them little things be packing the heat. Oh,
for you. I know this.
Should I have shooken it? Did it say shake?
No.
Oh, it says seriously extra hot. Like they trying to tell you there's no game. Don't play with us. We ain't one of them. Don't play with them. They not one of them. Seriously extra hot ingredients. Scorpion. All right, I'm not about to do this to myself. But at this point, I'm liable to back. It says shake well.
Now you're getting all the hot stuff from the bottom.
I'm nervous. Xtina Grubz. What's up? All right, we're going to put this little box down here. I found this in ShopRite, y'all. Let me line up the sauces. Let me put some sauce. I need egg and of sauce just in case I got to dip it anywhere. I gotta put the sauce everywhere. Gotta sauce it up. Sauce it up. Y'all, if this is your first time watching me, Trudy Lee, make sure that you like this video right now so YouTube knows that you care. Drop me some comments so I know that you are here. And make sure that you share. Because y'all, we only got until September to do what we do and keep it true. So make sure you watch our videos all the way to the end. Watch time matters right now for us. And make sure that you are subscribed, but Ace in the right place. And you got your bells on so you're notified when we dropping these bangers. Yes, just like that. We appreciate it from the bottom of our heart. We truly do. Keep it true. All right, y'all, let's get it. Let's go.
Come on.
All right. I'm nervous. All right. She said, "Don't be scared." That's not scared. That's scared. That's a nice saucy thing. That's a saucy wing. I'm nervous.
Yeah. Hurry up, get it through.
All right.
Doing something.
We gotta do the first one, no dip.
No dip.
So let's get it.
It might not be that bad. Like it up right now.
I can't do it.
I can try to finish it up for you.
What is this? What is that?
What do you mean, what is it?
It can't be legal. This?
You get it.
Cut it out. Cut it out. It's hot. But it's kind of going away. Hold on. I think I could do it.
Come on. You got it.
Mind over matter. I'm telling my mind to think these thoughts, y'all. Cause I don't. It's stink. It's stink. That's so stink. It stink. It stinks. I don't like how it sounds. It's in my nose. It stinks. That's why you said you could dip. It don't change. It don't change nothing. I'm going through some things.
Just true.
I'm eating my little nuggets like so.
Like up this video right now for good luck.
How about 3 dots per? That's a lot. I don't care. That's a lot. Oh, dripping. It's a lot. I don't care. A lot.
No.
I gotta dip it.
Just put it.
What's up with you? No. I'm giving this away. It has to get out of here. I'm putting up the eviction papers today. I'm getting them served on Marketplace tonight. And hopefully somebody pick up this half-used bottle. My eyes. I'm just... Alright, let me relax. Calm down.
That's soda.
He's gonna make it worse, right?
No, that's not. It's alright. It tastes better. Tastes better than the sauce. You burped while you were...
Excuse me. Yo. That's a lot. I said so, period. That's not a lot. Not really. I think we gotta pray again. Hold on. I wanna pray one more time?
I'll do it.
God asked you to please come on. My nose.
Y'all do what y'all supposed to do right now. Right now. Y'all know what that is. Like, comment, subscribe,
and share.
Post notifications, and share. Share everywhere.
I gotta put some.
Because this thing is no joke.
Wrong forehead, man. Stay. Stay.
Actually?
Oh, wow, I like that. Nope.
You see that?
What?
In your teeth.
Look at the nostril. What is that?
It's from the ranch. Gulp it, gulp it. You take a little bit higher sips.
This it.
Cuzzo said it was worse than 2 times.
Because I ain't never lied yet, huh? This ain't right, yo.
Oh no.
It's hot.
It's funny but serious at the same time.
My teeth burn, I think.
What?
I don't know. I think my teeth are
That means your gums are affected with that thing.
Infected?
It's in your gums a little.
No, like, you think it's in my gums?
You are just biting on it. Like on chicken.
My lips hurt.
It's not funny. It's not funny.
My eyes are starting to swell, I think. I don't know what's happening.
To be honest, a little bit. I'm not gonna lie.
It's burning everything on me.
I don't want to light it up right now.
It's so hot. Is that enough?
Yes, it's enough.
My nose, everything burns.
Guys, look at it. It just looks.
The grocery store is selling this to minority people. They must want us to die. I'm shaking it off. I'm shaking it off. All right, I did that piece.
Okay.
So one more drop.
One more?
That's a lot.
That's a lot.
Ooh, excuse me. The sauce. The hot sauce is up here.
Actually?
It's right here.
Oh.
I'm doing some things. Chill out. I'm doing what I can do. I'm trying to keep it true with you. Gotta sauce it up. Let's stay. I don't like how it. Y'all got it. Yo.
How many pieces you got left? 1, 2, 3. You got this. You got this. You got it.
That's sauce. Oh, sorry.
You got
Yep.
Did you just lick the cup?
I licked my finger.
Oh.
It feels so good on my tongue.
What? Oh, put your hands up. Your veins! I can see your veins!
I went down. Ooh. Excuse me. I went down the wrong.
You're literally crying!
It went down the wrong thing. Girl. I'm so. Oh, man. Woo!
Oh my god! No! Don't do
It's
that.
so bad! I can't do it! I'm hot. Why'd they make this?
No more.
They know that all people on YouTube want to do crazy stuff. They know we out here acting crazy. If y'all don't notice that the Google ratings, the Google everything has skyrocketed. Why? Because YouTube was on Google. They knew what they was doing when they made this. It's hot. It's hot. It's hot.
You got it though. You got it. On 3. That's it.
Look at them dots. Death dots. death dots.
Why?
I gotta laugh without crying.
Okay, good. That's a lot.
You
You don't see it. Close your eyes and eat it. Close your eyes. Think that it's red hot. No, don't do that. Oh, jeez.
It's so stinky. Oh, what is it?
It's scorpions. They're scorpion peppers. Yes. Oh, you got me.
That's enough.
It's like what?
Is that enough? I seen it drip. That's how it's too
Yeah,
much. It drip.
dude.
It drips.
Too much. Oh, I can't. I can't.
My lip turned white.
As soon as I watch it, I'm turning the air on for you. No, I'm not.
Go ahead. Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Yo, we just got a central air fix today. But we still have the AC today. They'll be coming out this weekend.
Alright, you can.
Y'all, this is great. This is great. I still got 2 whole wings left. That's crazy. It's crazy. Look at all that chicken.
I got a little bit more left.
Really right there.
Why'd you sound like that?
Hustle, hustle. Woo. Hustle, hustle. Woo! Grind. Those are shoulders. All right.
Sorry, guys. As much cheers as you can get.
Yo, this has been a situation. Here comes. Yes! I'm down here about to fall out. Yep, fall out.
What?
She said, wait, fall out.
What you doing?
Watch
Hey,
out.
that's
Go
my
down.
tube. Give me my tube back.
Not right now, girls. About no tube. Y'all, we wrap up this banger. Want to say hi? SincereTeam? Say hi. I got this. You can say hi. They got to go because it's spicy. Say hi.
Hi.
What's going on?
Hey, you like this?
That's chicken. Hot chicken. Hot chicken. No, it's chicken in here. Here. There's chicken in here. Right here. Here, baby. There's 2 in there. Yep. 2 legs just for you.
No. Just for you.
What? You don't want no? You want no chicken?
You're going to actually eat that the rest. Alright, eat it right now. Do both of them. Same
Oh,
time.
excuse me, y'all. Excuse me, guys. All right, y'all. I dipped it. 4 dips. Excuse me, y'all. Excuse me, really, excuse me. I'm putting 4 little dips on each one. Call me what you want to call me, but I'm doing what I can do. I'm just doing what I can do. You know what I mean? Nothing crazy, that's not true. You know what I mean? I don't know about you, but it's all I can do.
Let's see if we can't dip the rest.
It stings. Oh, it stings. It's stink.
Dusty. No, don't smell that.
I smell it.
No. Treasure was like, He's so dramatic. Mommy, what's this thing? Sissy, man. Yes.
Oh, ate the bone. I almost ate the bone.
Girl.
We got one more piece, y'all. Y'all don't mind Treasure. She back there doing her thing, keeping it true. Look at my nose. Running.
Alright, y'all.
Chocolate milk is the way. It helps cool down the palate. This is a fact. It's not a joke. You want some of my soda?
Yeah.
You are.
Okay, you see.
Chocolate milk. It has to be dark chocolate is really good. New video started. Ooh, who went to 2 videos? Ooh, look at my lips. They're freaking white. You know how when you eat vinegar or something, you get that little, ooh, that's how you know this thing is deadly. It's not even vinegar, it's hot sauce. Ugh. Ugh. I don't want to do that. I feel like I got light skin. I sweated off my pigment and fine. Zip! The chip is here. The chip is here. Chip here. Huh?
You finished it.
No.
You only got one more piece. Ew. Put him out.
Sorry.
You done? Okay.
Almost done. The last piece.
I was looking for something.
All right, y'all. Let's get it. Last piece. Make sure you're at this point in this video. Make sure you give me a big thumbs up right now. Like I said, like this video so YouTube knows that you care. Drop me some comments so I know that you were her. And make sure that you
Share.
About to get into this last era.
Hey guys, mommy.
Grandma house.
Yes.
She love her grandma, y'all. I love my mama too. I love my mama too. Shout out to you. Gloria Daniel. That's you. Gloria Daniel. That's my mama.
You give it to the stage.
Did it, y'all?
This is nothing to play with. This
Nothing.
little bottle has scorpion peppers in it.
It is not one of them. Okay? This ain't one of them. I do what I do. I cut the truth. No more.
They can't see your hand.
Hi guys.
Hi, guys. She said, I love y'all.
Hi guys.
I appreciate y'all.
Hi guys.
I'm going to do this out. Come over here. Come say hi.
This is.
Say hi. On the road. Try to watch out. You're gonna knock me out.
Ooh. What was that?
What was that?
Hi guys.
Hey.
Hi. What's up guys?
Yeah, what you doing, guys?
What's your face?
No.
What's it? Hi.
Got my aces in the right. She said, "What you doing, huh?" You ain't hear y'all.
Huh?
You ain't hear him? No, let him talk up.
Hey guys.
Hey guys.
Hey guys, what you doing?
All right, y'all. I did it. Xtina Grubz. How I do? I hope you watch this banger. Let me know if I kept it true. It's up to you.
Bye.
And until the next video.
Peace.